Samantala, host country ang Pilipinas sa Asia-Europe Meeting Conference on Disaster Risk and Management ngayong taon. Layunin ng Pilipinas na makapag-ambag sa mga bagong polisiya para maiwasan ang kalamidad. Nitong nakalipas na Huwebes, Hunyo 5, nagsalita si Pangulong Aquino sa nasabing pulong. Dito nanawagan ng Pangulo para sa pagkakaroon ng pandaigdigang aksyon laban sa climate change. Yan ang tinutukan ni Elena Luna.
Personal na ipinaabot kay Pangulong Aquino at sa sambayan ng Pilipino ng European Union Commissioner ang paghanga matapos malampasan ng Pilipinas ang itinuturing na pinakamalakas na bagyo sa kasaysayan ng mundo.
Mr. President, I would like to convey to you my huge admiration for the strength, the resilience of your nation. You are Yes, there are still wounds to be healed. Yes, there are still houses to be rebuilt. Yes, there are still businesses to step on their feet. But what you have achieved in these 6 months is remarkable, and it is a lesson for all of us.
May 200 mga kinatawan mula sa 51 bansang miyembro ng Asia-Europe Meeting o ASEM ang nasa Pilipinas para sa 3 araw na Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction and Management. Ang tema nito, Post-Haiyan Yolanda, A Way Forward. Sa talumpati ng Pangulo, ibinahagi niya ang naging karanasan ng Pilipinas sa Super Typhoon at maging sa ibang mga bagyong tumatama sa bansa. Ibinahagi niyang ang bagyong Yolanda ay isang masakit na paalaala ng mga pagbabagong dala ng climate change.
We are fully integrating principles on climate change adaptation so that they influence decision-making in every aspect of governance and encouraging other nations towards realizing. Essentially, we are trying to climate-proof our path to progress. This is the very idea that has driven our efforts to build back better. We refuse to be condemned to a vicious cycle of destruction and reconstruction. As we rebuild our homes, roads, and our communities, we must remain acutely aware of the reality of climate change, and we must equip ourselves with the wherewithal to withstand future calamities.
Hinimok niya ang mga dumadalo sa conference na aktibong makibahagi sa mga talakayan. Co-host ng Pilipinas sa conference ang European Union, Japan at Switzerland, habang co-sponsors naman ang mga bansang Belgium, Germany, Hungary, Indonesia, Spain, Sweden at Vietnam.
Typhoons, after all, do not pay heed to national borders. They threaten all our peoples. Each of us is a stakeholder in this endeavor, which is why this gathering is of absolute importance. We must take advantage of every opportunity we have to share our experiences, ideas, and technologies, whose value is not measured just by any form of currency, but by the number of lives saved.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.